This is the hood that I have found. This is a hood by JJC, and it is a full metal hood. I have mounted a small 39mm UV filter inside here. Now, this does screw off like so, and it's got a 39mm thread that obviously goes on the pancake thread inside here. The issue I'm going to have showing you is these two sections separate, so you can then unscrew this and screw the filter on inside and then replace the hood over the top. But because I forced this on, I can't separate these now, so you just have to take my word for it. So you could put a VND filter or just a ND in there if you wanted. I'm quite happy with just a UV stuck in there. So yeah, that screws on the thread on the front there, and then you can align it like so. It is free spinning, so you can just about move it into place to square it off, like so. It's one of those things. I had it on the X100 Mark VI with, I think it's a square hood. The alignment line, when it was lined up, the hood was not square, which was a bit odd. So it was misaligned when it was square on the front of the camera, if that makes sense. But yeah, that makes this camera for me absolutely perfect looking. It's very important how your camera looks, of course. Now, when you turn on the camera, obviously there is going to be a little gap here as the focus system moves into place. So I'm not too keen on the way that looks, but it is what it is. It does have the same sort of look and finish to it as the lens itself. You got a little JJC logo on the bottom there. I'll link this hood in the description so you know where to get it. So that was our quick look at this hood for the 23mm f2.8 lens. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will link a video here of what I shot with this whilst I was away in Italy. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.